Things to note when lubricating: linear guide rails are essential components in many mechanical structures, vital to equipment stability and accuracy. Lubrication is crucial for maintaining them. Regular lubrication reduces wear and extends their lifespan. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Choose the right lubricants. Select lubricant based on guide rail material, working environment, and frequency of use. Metal rails need anti-wear lubricants. Harsh environments require resistant oils, and frequent use necessitates lubricants with moderate viscosity. 2. Determine lubrication cycle. The lubrication cycle depends on usage, frequency, working environment, and equipment downtime. Higher usage frequency and harsher environments call for shorter cycles, while extended downtime allows for longer lubrication intervals. 3. Select lubrication method. Choose a method based on equipment needs and ease of operation. Common methods include manual, automatic, and oil bath lubrication.